Okay, and stop. Good. And do some up down or lat, whatever you want your dog to do.
Yes. Get it. Yes. Get it. Yes. Get it. Yes. Get it.
Nice ping pong, nice up down.
Yeah, nice job.
Okay.
Yes. Uh-huh. Yes. Yes. Good. Good girl.
So lay out a treat, Tanya.
Oh, you're doing
Move
good.
behind.
Yes. Good girl.
Okay, you can do name or you can also just have voluntary looking back, but name is okay, Tanya. It's beautiful up down going right here. Okay, all right. And again, if you want to go into, wait till reorienting for Nova, unless it becomes too hard, and then you can do lat. You might want to mark yes.
Yes.
Good, so we move right into lat. Good. Say yes.
Yes, no, no. Yes.
Good. Very nice.
Nice. Yes.
Oh, beautiful. Oh, look at you moving, flowing right into the other game. Beautiful. Watch the angle there. Good job. Nice. All right, tell Nova, let's go. That's a little cool. Good.
Let's go. Ready?
Good job. Wow.